Please note that in these accounts that I do trade, I am trading real money, and I am in no way advocating anybody to use the amount of leverage that I do. Whatever you do is at your own risk. This is for educational purposes, and past performance is not indicative of future performance. So keep that in mind and enjoy the video. Hello everyone, just doing a video here. I'm going to do a review on the first month of the 90-day challenge. Did pretty well. The total was that would be about $1,250, something to that effect. So that equates to, technically we began with $2,500. Okay, and the reason I began with $2,500 because I was mentioning there's a lot of people that do trade with small amounts of money. $2,500 seemed to be the average among the smaller traders. But I have to confess, over the course of a month, I added $2,000 extra, and I did that not because I was holding overnight and wanted a little bit more cushion in case I got a margin call. That wasn't the case because I didn't hold anything overnight. It was really just looking at an account that didn't give me as much freedom as I wanted to get larger and smaller with some of the trades. Now, this is all relative, but I still wanted to keep it under 6,000. So the total technically at the end of the month, I just added another 1,000 yesterday, but the total at the end of the month that we added would be 2,500 plus the 2,000. So a total of $4,500 over the course of 30 days. Okay, so we still kept it low. So I don't, the account was really developed with the $2,500. That extra 1,000 and then the next 1,000, the last 1,000 I sent in came on the last day of the month. I don't know if you want to count that, but let's say we do 3,500, or we even do 3,000, right? Technically speaking, that would be about, however you look at it, between 40 and 60% growth. However you look at it, if you want to look at it as starting with 2,500, or you want to add in the other, whatever, it really doesn't matter. I'm here to just make good trades day in and day out. These are not trades that I am sending out with signals, although, as I promised, after the first month, I am going to start a room that's really just going to primarily focus on this trading challenge. All right. So let's talk about the account. Let's talk about the trade. Let's go over that. And as I'm talking to you, I'm looking at a trade that I just took profit on, and I really should have given it more time. I did take a profit, but it was a bit too early. This was the Aussie dollar, 71.65. And I got in at 71 level, and I believe I got out about 71.80, and then I took the rest off 71.75. Whatever. You're not going to make every trade. I mean, I have a rule where as we get close to non-farm payrolls, I like to just be away from the market. Sometimes we get those swings even the day before that are a little, I shouldn't complain about swings because that's how we make the money, right? But once that non-farm payrolls come in close, I tend to take a little bit of a break, and then come tomorrow, I'll see if I'm going to have a trade set up. I may trade it. If I do, it's going to be a small amount. So here we are. Let's check out this account here, the live account with the now I made a little bit today. I don't even know what, because I had a losing trade last night, and then with today's, I know that I'm up starting October, but that was October 1st because that trade came That trade was closed at 12:30 a.m. So technically speaking, that does not count for the month. All right, so let's talk about where we began. Now, this was an account that I just had opened, and I think it was a neutral account. Maybe it had a tiny little, okay, that was funded in July. There you go. And then I don't know, I have so many of these accounts. In Owanda, you can create sub-accounts. So that's 730, 731. We're starting right here where it says account transfer. So that's account transfer $2,500. All right. So that's where we're starting. You see where it says 831. So there we have it. That was the start of this whole. Now you can see the first one I did have a set and forget, and that hit. But most of these are just straight up scalp accounts. Scalp trades. And if you're going to ask me if I have a stop, these trades are fast. They're usually quick. Most of them are done under an hour. And the answer is no. So, that's up to the individual that is trading, how they want to go ahead and manage their risk. This is a different kind of trading account. It's a very aggressive trading account. So, it's my account. I do it how I want. So, all right. So here we are. Profit, loss, deposit. That has to do with, as I said, the July when I deposited and then I withdrew that or whatever. You see, so I withdraw some. So, at any rate, what you need to just focus on is the account was funded with $4,500 over the course of 30 days, and we have a profit of. I'm trying to forget about this because this is including the other part. So let me just think. So that's going to be $1,305.61 to be exact. All right. So that was the last 30 days, and now we're going to focus on the next 30 days because in trading, you have to look at your next trade. You can't dwell on the past trades, pat yourself in the back and say, hey, wow, I did such a great job. I am the best trader in the world, because I've done that before where I patted myself on the back and then the market punishes you. So right now I'm a zero. Okay, as far as, for today's profits, I'm not a zero. This account I grabbed a little bit on. But going forward here, for the next trade, we're starting with zero, put it that way. All right, and that's just how it's handled. That's how I handle it. That's, I've noticed, works for me, and I'm going to continue to do that. If some of you are wondering why there's so many trades, what I do is I'll get into a trade, but then I'll add to it, and I'll add a little bit more to it, and I'll feel it out. And I know it becomes a sloppy statement in the end, but I really don't care, because my primary goal is to just do well in that account. So I really don't care if people think it's not organized. You can have the most organized account in the world and not make money in it. I don't care. It's my style. I do what I want. So yeah, it's almost like I get a little bored. I want to add a little bit, subtract a little bit if the trade's not doing good. So it's one of those situations, whatever. Okay, so here we are now. And I just wanted to thank everybody for watching this video. And I'll make another video regarding this account on November 1st. And we'll see how October goes. I'm really looking forward to October, because October is notoriously a day that just wow, a day, you can tell I haven't been up that long. It's a month that really has some volatility. For day traders, it's a wonderful month. For those who are not experienced and don't understand how to trade the markets, it can be a nightmare. It can be devastating. Okay, you can destroy accounts easily. I know, because I've done that. Okay, I've done that, and it's not fun. It's emotionally devastating. But some people have to learn the hard way, and hence I'm one of those people. So that is the story, and I'm sticking to it. It is 10/1/2020. I look forward, and this weekend we're going to start accepting the members to the trading room. So I wish everybody the best. Check out fxlivedaytrading.com if you like the video and you're following some of these trades and some of the videos. Please subscribe, give a like. As you could see from our subscribers, we need to add subscribers, but I have to say I really don't focus on that either. All right, if I can change one person's life financially just with some of these videos up here, then I feel good. Feel good that I am not wasting my time. Have a good one, everybody, and be careful trading in October. Bye.